people, it is time to talk about gift giving. I know packing for Iceland is stressful enough as it is. Not anymore, friends. I am here today to talk about my favorite must-have items that I think would make the perfect gift for the Iceland traveler in your life. And the best part, you're all getting a car! Just kidding, I wish that I could do that. I am giving away half of the items that I'm talking about today in this gift guide. So get excited and make sure that you stay until the end of the video to figure out how you can enter to win. Because if there's one thing that I love, it's giving gifts. Let's get into it. So the first idea is the all-around tried and true hiking boots. Obviously, everyone wants to know what they should wear on their feet when they're traveling to Iceland, and this is the boot I wear and love. Not only is it water resistant, it's durable, and I wear it everywhere I go exploring in Iceland. Next, and very important, if you are traveling to Iceland in the winter, I definitely recommend crampons. You guys have heard me talk about this before, but I think that this is the most essential winter item to pack in your suitcase. The nice thing about crampons is that you can wear them on the sidewalks in Reykjavik, or you can wear them out when you're exploring around the waterfalls. All you have to do is loop them around your boot or your shoe, and you are so much safer when you're walking on the ice. I personally use the heavy duty spikes, but the yak tracks are amazing as well. So either one, you can't go wrong. You don't want to be falling on your butt, breaking a leg, or not able to do something because you can't access that area. So trust me, you are going to want to bring this. Next idea is a G favorite for sure, and that is a red coat. Okay. You don't actually have to have the color red. That's just what I wear in all of my exploring pictures. But the main thing here is that you, obviously want to be protected from the elements, and that is why a weatherproof coat is so important. Don't make the same mistake that I made when I moved to Iceland and wear black, because you're just going to blend in to the landscape. And this is why I highly recommend buying a coat that has a nice bright color. And to complete your Iceland exploring outfit, you are going to want to have some nice hiking pants. So they're not the most attractive looking things, but they are so practical and my favorite thing to explore in. My pair is wind and water resistant, so again, this makes sense to protect you from the elements in Iceland, and they're really affordable. So definitely a good gift giving item. My next item is for the summer travelers. I guess just travelers in general, is an eye mask. I literally can't see any light sources right now. Seriously though, the sun in Iceland in the summer doesn't set, and that is going to mess with your sleep schedule. So having a sleep mask like this one is so helpful. And I mean, you can use this also on the plane or any of your other travels. So it's not just for Iceland, it's so practical. Next gift idea is a pair of gloves. So everyone wants to have the perfect pair. In my opinion, that means gloves that you can be using with your devices like your phone and your camera that are insulated, but then also have the tab for the touch screen. So important. So you have to keep your hands really warm when you're in Iceland. Actually, I recommend having 2 pairs of gloves just in case one gets wet. The next Iceland gift idea is a nice packable, quick dry towel. So if you're planning on going in the hot springs, which you should, then having a nice quick dry towel is going to come in so handy. So it folds up into this nice little pouch, doesn't take up a lot of space, and it is so moisture wicking and it dries really fast. So it's nice, especially if you're hopping in and out of different hot tubs and you don't want to carry a bulky towel with you. Speaking of hot springs, make sure that your cell phone is protected in the hot springs by using a nice heavy duty case. A lot of people are asking how they can take photos in the Blue Lagoon. Jeannie, how did you get that picture? It's because of this beautiful device. I love this thing. It is completely waterproof and durable because I drop my phone all the time, but also really nice for exploring around the waterfalls. walls because you're getting all that spray and you don't want it to ruin your phone. So helpful for Iceland. So this next item should be in everyone's stocking, whether you're traveling to Iceland or traveling around the world, and that is a converter. So I love this converter. It's so good. It has plugs for UK, Europe, and the US. It also has 2 USB slots, which is awesome. But everyone wants to know what kind of plug you use in Iceland. It's this round one here, and this converter is so inexpensive, and you need to have this for charging your phone or your laptop. Not for blow dryers or hair straighteners though. This is not the device that you need for that, but to convert anything to charge. Next up is Project Let's Stop Using So Much Plastic. Oh, that's for another video. But seriously, a reusable water bottle is so awesome and practical and necessary to have in Iceland. Quick note, Iceland is actually going through a movement right now where they're going to start taking away plastic water bottles. Hallelujah! But since you can drink water in Iceland straight from the tap, there's no reason to buy bottled water, and invest in a cheap, really pretty color water bottle, and this is the perfect gift. Bring it to Iceland. So awesome. My next item is a bit of a splurge, but if you really want to spoil someone, then why not give them a beautiful camera for Iceland? So everyone is asking what kind of camera that we use to take our photos and our videos, and I have to say I'm obsessed with the Sony mirrorless system. It's so amazing. It's really lightweight, which is perfect for traveling, and it is such an intuitive camera. So you don't even need to know a lot about how to take photos in order to make this camera work for you. So I love our Sony cameras, highly recommend. Last but not least, you guys, is the Ring Road ebook. So hello, if you want the perfect map and guidance around Iceland and how-tos and what to pack and so much helpful information, then I can't recommend the Ring Road ebook enough. And version 3, hello, just in time for the holidays. So I have added so many new pages and updated information, and it's so awesome and beautiful. Really excited about it. So this would definitely be the best gift for the Iceland traveler in your life. Alright guys, so I have linked all of the products below. So if you want to go ahead and get started on your shopping, you can see all of the links below for the products that I've recommended in this video. And if you want to enter the giveaway, like, do you want to win some stuff for free? All you have to do is, number 1, make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. Number 2, head on over to my Instagram account. Make sure you're following along there. And that's it. If you are following along on those 2 platforms, then you're automatically qualified. And I'm going to be choosing 5 winners for 5 of the products that I've listed with the asterisk. And the winners are going to be announced through my Instagram every week during the month of December. And it's going to be awesome. So I'm so excited to give you guys some of my favorite products. All right, my friends, that's all for today for your holiday gift guide. I hope it helped make your shopping easier for the holidays. I'll see you next week, and until then, happy planning.